Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating the GoPro 12 firmware and confirming battery is above 20% so features run reliably. Once done, open Preferences, go to Input, and turn on Voice Control. This registers core speech models. Make sure you select the correct language and wake word. This matters because the camera uses keyword spotting to save power. Finally, set sensitivity to medium. Too high catches noise, too low misses commands. These steps get your GoPro ready to hear you, quickly and accurately. You now practice real commands so the system learns your cadence. Say the wake word, pause a half second, then give the action, for example, GoPro start recording. Use simple verbs to change modes, photo, time warp, or night, because the model maps short phrases to mode ID. Make sure you face the camera microphone and reduce wind noise, otherwise commands fail. If you need precision, use compound commands like GoPro. Set exposure to -1 to control settings. Repeat until responsiveness is consistent. You complete each session by checking visual or audio feedback. LED blink, spoken confirmation, or status icons show the command executed. If a command fails, first retry in a quieter spot and speak clearly, then toggle voice control off and on to reinitialize the model. Make sure firmware and language packs are current because compatibility fixes improve recognition. As a last resort, reset preferences to default or export logs and contact GoPro support. This sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.